Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be trying out the Technic invite only palette. So I bought mine for £3.99 from a little store called Duty Free in Manchester. You can also buy it from Technic's website and it's £6. So it just looks like this, and it is another dupe for the Huda Beauty New Nudes palette. So it is really pretty. However, this is like about the fifth palette that I've got that kind of has this kind of colour scheme. So let's just have a recap of all the ones I've got. So I've got the, oh, nearly dropped that one then. So I've got the W7 Socialite, which just looks like this. So I did actually film a video on this, but it was when my laptop died the other week. So I filmed it on my phone. I don't think the footage was up to standard, so I wasn't that happy with it. So I didn't put it up there, but it's okay. It's not my favourite, let's just put it that way. And some of the colours, like I think I used maybe this one or this purple one, and they just didn't really show up on my face. So, and there was a lot of very mid-tone colours, like not that many dark colours. So that's the W7 Socialite. I am planning on doing something like a palette smackdown or something, like where I can rate the best and worst. So you know, that will be coming soon when I've tried them all. I've also got these other three. So I've got the Full Colour Sunrise palette. So that just looks like this. I do have a video on this one. I have the Revolution Pro New Neutral palette, and I do have a video on this one as well, so I won't link that one down below. And then that one looks like that. And then I have a third one, no, fifth one. This is the Catrice Nude Peony palette. I had to order this from a website in Germany, so it just looks like that. Okay, so yeah, the video is just going to be checking out this palette today. Do you like my clips? I got them from Primark, £2. I did like a haul kind of video of what I got at my recent Primark's at haul. So if that video is not up now, I will link it when it is available. So this video and that video shouldn't be, you know, too far between them. So yeah, I'm going to prime my eyes now and let's get started. There are no names or numbers on this palette, so I'm just going to point to which one I'm using. So a lot of these colours are either mid or darker toned. There's not that many really light tones, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to use this colour in my crease to start off with. So that's that coral colour down. It looks actually really pretty, and you could just wear this like all over the lid or in the crease just for an everyday makeup look. So I think I'm going to put this colour next into the crease and just deepen that up a little bit. Okay, so that is that colour down, which is that colour just there, and I've put it under my eyes as well. I'm not actually wearing any concealer today. I'm a little bit self-conscious about it. I was actually doing natural makeup and I wasn't planning on filming. So, yeah, that's why I've got no concealer on, but I have got the Juvia's Place foundation on, which is quite full coverage. So next, I'm either going to go into one of these colours because I wanted something deep. I think I'm going to go into this one, and then I'm just going to pack it on the outer corner. Okay, so I have just put that colour on my outer corner, and I don't feel like it's there's a lot of distinction between that colour that I've just put on and then that colour. So that's a little bit of a shame. I am going to cut the crease now and then probably just put that coral back down again because I want to put some of the glitter on. Okay, so I have just cut my crease and then put that orange down. I don't know if you can tell, but I am getting quite a bit of fallout from the shadows underneath my eyes. How cute is this little palette? yeah, so I am just going to go in with one of the glitter shades now. I'm going to go in with this one over the top of that coral. Okay, so it's a little bit chunky when it's picked up on the brush. I think the trick with these is to do just like little and often, and do, you know, little at the time, because I've had a lot of bad experience with glitter just falling down my face. So let's have a go. Okay, so yeah, the glitter, I've only put a little bit on my brush, but the glitter is all falling down my face, and I'm only doing like a little bit at a time. I'm not a massive fan of pressed glitters, but you know. I mean, it's quite patchy. I obviously will need to build it up, but it's going everywhere. And because this is pressed glitter, it's actually sticking to my face, and I'm trying to dust it off with a brush and it's not coming off. Okay, so I've just put the glitter on both of the eyes, and I don't know how much you can see, but this side of my face is covered, and I've actually hit pan on that shade, just trying to get some of the glitter out. I feel like it's a very dry pressed glitter, if that makes any sense. Like some of them are a little bit tacky or a little bit more moist, but I feel like this one's very dry and it's just not adhering very well, and it's just crumbling and coming down my face a little bit. Okay, so I've just put some liner on, and then I've put some of the pineapple highlighter in my inner corner just to make it pop a little bit. I'm kind of going to stop there just because the more I mess with it, the more this glitter is coming off, and I do understand that with a lot of glitters you do need a glitter glue, but a lot of these palettes say that you don't need to because they have like a kind of something built into them which adheres to the eyes. But I would definitely recommend, if you do want to use this palette and use the glitters, definitely get a glitter glue. Yeah, because the more I mess with it, and say like if I'm blending it, I'm trying to blend this outer colour into the glitter a little bit so it's not too harsh like the line where I've cut the crease, and it's just coming off. It's all coming down my face. I mean, the look that I have created I don't think is a bad look, but I can create it with one of these other palettes that I've got, which I'm not having this problem with. So generally I do like Technic's palettes, and I do like their formula. I like the peanut butter and jelly palette. I really like that one. I like the shaken not stirred palette. I have got some videos on them. I have done some really good videos with them, and I do quite like them. However, this one's, it's not my favourite out of all the Technic palettes that I tried. And I know I've not tried all the eyeshadows, and you know, these ones might actually be, oh, that's actually really cool. So yeah, that's alright. But yeah, these glitters have left me feeling a little bit short. So it's an alright palette, but at the moment it's not my favourite Huda dupe out of all the ones that I've got. So I'm going to leave you with some swatches, and I will see you again shortly. Bye! Okay, so these are the swatches, and as usual I can never get them along my arm. I always go up into my inner arm. So there are 15 shades in this palette. There are 2 pressed glitters, 4 of the pearlized kind of colours, 1 kind of satin shimmery colour, and the rest are mattes. Now, when I've swatched these, the mattes have not performed very well at all. They were very powdery, very chalky, and yeah, not typical of the usual Technic formula, which was a bit weird. But the pearlized shades, so this one, this one, this one, and this one, are stunning, and they were so creamy. They've gone on so nice, so they will be really nice to use from this palette. However, glitter shades never usually swatch that well anyway, but I didn't like these. They're not for me. But yeah, just to show you what everything looks like. Lovely colour scheme. However, I'll probably only be using like the creamy kind of shades in the future.